How to pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon that normally appears at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Cash App Money section. On this page, there are various options in sections that are related to money. Scroll through them. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section here, and from the list of options that are here, make sure you look for one named Bitcoin. As you can see, here is the option. Once you have tapped on the option, you will be taken to a page similar to this one, where you will see your Bitcoin wallet and the amount of Bitcoin you have in it. From there, go ahead and tap here on the two arrows. This is the Transfer Bitcoin option, as you can see. Once you tap on it, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, as you can see here. From the menu, there are two options, where one is to send Bitcoin and the other is receive. Make sure you tap on the Send option. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Once you tap on the Send Bitcoin option, this page appears where you are supposed to enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to send. After that, proceed to the next step, where you will see a page that is similar to the one you see here. On this page, there are options and sections that are important to fill with information. In the top text field, make sure you fill in the Bitcoin address that is for the person you would like to pay. So ask the person to give you their Bitcoin wallet address. On the next field, you are supposed to fill in what the payment is for. So make sure you enter the address here. After that, proceed and send the Bitcoin. The person will then receive the Bitcoin. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to pay someone in Bitcoin on Cash App.